Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Today, I will teach you lesson number 16, which is articles a and the. Children, a and the are articles. A is not a letter. Here, A is a. For example, if we say this is a book, here a is article. Followed. Similarly, this is an apple. Here, an is article. Clear? You know very well, children, that letter A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. You all have learned this in class 2. So these 5 letters are vowels, and rest of the letters like B, C, D, F, G, H, O, not O, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are all known as consonants. It is very important, children, to remember that for the use of A, not letter A, article A and an depends on the vowels and consonant sounds. Followed. Use of A, article A and article an depends on vowels and consonants sound. You are told that an is used in class 2, you remember? You've been told that an is used before a word which begins with a vowel, and a before word that begins with consonants. Alright, for example, a bag. A bag. A is article a and bag. So bag begins with B. This is consonant. So you were told that words that begins with consonants, article A is used for them, and the words that begins with vowels, article an is used with them for them. Okay. But here you will read that actually it depends on the sound with which word opens. Followed. Depends on the sound. So for example, if I say a book, clear? B, clear, sound is clear. An apple, A is clear. But there are a few words like honest. Spelling of honest is HONEST. But when we will use article here before honest, we will say an honest. Why? The sound of O is heard. H is silent. So an honest. So followed. Similarly, there is a word. I'll give you more examples later, but now you keep this in your mind that if it begins with vowel sound, we use an. Followed. If any word that begins, keep this in the mind. Any word that begins with the vowel sound, we use an, and that begins with the consonant sound, we use a before it. Followed. Example, have you ever been on dash aircraft? Now see, aircraft, A-I-R, a is heard. So vowel is A. So you will use, have you ever been on an aircraft? Clear? Similarly, you cannot make dash omelette without breaking dash egg. Now see, you cannot make dash omelette. What you will use before omelette? Omelette, O, vowel is heard. You cannot make an omelette without breaking dash egg. E-G-G egg. It's beginning with E. It's a vowel. So, an egg. Follow. We use a word that begins with consonant sound. We use a before a word which begins with consonant sound. Example, this is a beautiful painting. This is a beautiful. B is a consonant. So before beautiful, what is the article used? Article A is used. So this is a beautiful painting. Similarly, you can see many stars on dash clear evening. Clear is there. Before clear is a dash, what you will use? Article a. So the answer will be, you can see many stars on a clear evening. One thing more I would like to tell you, that article a and an is always used for singular thing. Means a or an means one. If a bag means one bag. An apple means one apple. An aircraft means one aircraft. Followed. So article a and an is used for singular number, singular things, one thing. So it's clear that a or an means one. Now see, opening sound that matters will be clear if you look at the following. Few examples are there. A unicorn. Unicorn. But although U is there, but what is the spelling of U? Y-O-U. Y is not a vowel. So we have said a unicorn. Why not? You'll ask why the spelling of unicorn is U-N-I. It's beginning with vowel U. But you have used A, article A. Why, ma'am? Why this is so? Because unicorn, U sound is made by Y. Y-O-U. U sound is that. But here, Y is not the vowel. So we have used article A. Similarly, this is a useful thing. A useful thing. Why we say useful thing? Because you, same thing. Same with U-S-E. Use F-U-L. Useful. But the sound is of U-Y. So it is letter Y. So that is a useful. Similarly, it is the sound that matters and will be clear. See, a uniform, same thing, uniform. Then there is one word, European. Spelling of European is E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N. Now here see, European. Here, sound here, U is clear here. Although it's beginning with E, but European, U sound is U. So a European we say. Hold on. And R, H-O-U-R. R means ghanta. Ghante. So why we have used and with R? Because H is silent. Sound of H is not there. O-U-R only is heard. And the sound of O you can hear. So it is an R. An honest man. Why honest man? Because honest spelling is beginning with H. But the sound is O. So an honest. An honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. So what is that? The sound, opening sound, its opening that matters will be clear. If you sound you hear, that will make you understand that what article you have to use there. It's not that only vowel is there, then only you will use and. You have to give more emphasis, think more you have to concentrate more on sound. Clear? Now, there is one more thing, more uses of a and an. A and an, see here, article A and article an are called indefinite articles. Why? Because they are not used to refer any particular person or place or thing. Well, that is why article A or an are called indefinite articles. Simply, for example, if I say a dog is a man's best friend. Here, a dog. A dog means any dog. Particular dog is not given. So, any dog. A man, any man. No particular dog or no man is meant. Similarly, an elephant has a long memory. An elephant means any elephant. No particular elephant is meant. So that is why we say that a and an is indefinite article. Now same thing, one more, that a means one. That which I have told you earlier. There was a king called Ashoka. There was a king. One king. Followed. Similarly, John ate an apple means one apple. So, a or article A or an means it's indefinite but one per singular. It means one only. So, a and an can only be used before singular nouns, never before plural nouns. Keep this in your mind. Article A or an is used only before singular nouns, never before plural nouns. Now I'll tell you the uses of the. We have told you when we want to speak of or refer to a definite or a particular person, someone particular person, particular place or particular thing, this is called definite article. Hold on. Now, example, the sun shines in the sky. The sun is definite. It's not indefinite. Everybody knows that sun is definite. So, the sun, we always use the before sun. Article the is used. The sun shines in the sky. Similarly, another example, this is the place where the battle was fought. Now, this is the place. यही particular place है. यहीं पर battle was fought. लड़ाई हुई थी. This is the place where the battle, वही वाली लड़ाई हुई थी. Means this is the definite. Here the is definite. So the article is used when you have to show that it's a definite article. So you have show particular same thing. When we talk about the same particular person, particular thing, then article the is used. Now here, the castle the king built was on the top of a hill. What castle? Particular castle the king built means that is why we have used the castle. Similarly, the man who stole her jewels has been caught. कौन पकड़ा गया था? वो आदमी. That man means the man who stole the jewelry was caught. So the place refers to particular place. The place refers where the battle was. This is all clear. Followed. Now, the can be used before a singular or plural noun both. As I have told you, article A or an, A and an is used only before the singular person or singular noun. Here, the can be used before singular or plural nouns. The boy was playing football. The is there. Beginning with the dash, boy was playing football. The boy was playing football. Clear? Similarly, the boys were playing football. Here, boys plural, but the article is placed here. So the is used before singular or plural noun. Now the article is clear. In the next video, I will do the exercise. Okay.